Hey everyone, let's talk about whether Super Duolingo is worth it in 2025. Duolingo's free version already gives you daily lessons, streaks, and access to most languages. But with Super, you unlock extras like unlimited hearts, no ads, personalized practice, and progress tracking. The big question is, do these features really matter? If you're a casual learner, the free version is honestly enough. You can practice at your own pace, and even if you run out of hearts, you can just review old lessons. But if you're serious about learning, easily get frustrated with ads, or hate waiting when you lose hearts, Super Duolingo feels smoother. The Practice Hub and Mistakes Review also make it easier to strengthen weak areas, which can speed up progress. $99 a month. It's cheaper than most language apps, but still an expense. My take. If you're just dabbling, stick with free. If you're committed to daily practice and want a clean, distraction-free experience, then Super is worth it in 2025.